How to save highlights on Instagram to camera roll. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now over here, you'll find the highlight section. Open the highlight that you wanna download to your camera roll. At the bottom right corner, you will find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of send. With that, different options will appear. Click on the option of copy link. Once you copy the link of this highlight, close this, launch your any of the browser. Now type in Instagram stories and highlight downloads and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, this one, indown.io, open it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will see this box. Paste the copied link and then click on search. Make sure you haven't set your Instagram account to the private account. With that, you will be able to find your highlights. Now you can click on this option of download. With that, highlights will be downloaded. Now you can open this file and save it to camera roll. So this way you can easily save highlights on Instagram to camera roll. By applying the same process, you are able to save highlights on Instagram to camera roll. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.